How to fix Steam slow download speed, then suddenly drops to zero issue. The first things first is you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, once you're able to see that you have Wi-Fi or a local area network connected to your PC or laptop, you'll have to run a speed test. Just go ahead and create a new tab and type in speed test. From here, you can choose any speed test you want, and you'll just have to click on go. Now, once the coverage is clear and stable, what you need to do is go to your Windows icon right here, type in Internet Options. From here, go to Connections, and then click on LAN Settings. Now, if your automatic detect settings is currently checked, you'll have to uncheck it to disable it and then click on OK. Now you'll have to close and then click apply. After doing that troubleshooting, you'll have to relaunch your download queue again. If your download speed is still not yet improving, what you need to do is to pull up your Steam application, then log in to your account. Once you logged in, click on the three lines right here on your Steam software, and then go to settings, and then from settings, go to download, and then under download, you'll have to scroll and find clear download cache, because there might some, files that crashes out of nowhere, and you'll have to, delete all of them to fix all of the downloads that currently on your queue. So once you've done that, relog in your account and try to relaunch your download downloaded game. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix downloads on Steam and it suddenly drops to zero.